part in which we will discuss ratio of areas of two triangles. It contains three properties. So first of all, triangle, we will discuss what is meant by triangle. So a polygon with three sides and three angles is called a triangle. Here you can see this figure is called a triangle. Triangle is C. लेकिन यदि हमें इस ट्रायंगल की हाइट और बेस पहचानना है, so what we have to do to find height of any triangle, we have to draw a perpendicular from its vertex to the opposite side of a triangle. So let's draw a perpendicular. यहाँ पर मैं इस पॉइंट A से perpendicular draw कर रहा हूँ साइड BC पर. So here it is. So this AD is a height of a triangle क्योंकि इस A vertex से हमने साइड BC पर perpendicular draw किया है. जिस साइड पर हमने perpendicular draw किया है, that we can say it is called a base. So from this figure, AD is a height and you can see BC is a base. So can you identify the base and height of this next figure? Let's see. Yes friends, here if you have to find height and base, again you have to draw perpendicular from any vertex. Let's we have drawn perpendicular from vertex A. So here it is. So here that AD is a height and BC is a base. So then our topic is ratio of area of two triangles. So what is meant by area? Area of triangle means what? So area is a portion bounded by three sides. A portion bounded by three sides is called the area of a triangle. So as we know that if we have to find the area of triangle, we have a formula, that is area of triangle equal to half into base into perpendicular height, or we can say height. So it becomes half into B into H. So let's see properties of ratio of two triangles. So let's see first property, that is ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their corresponding bases and corresponding heights. So here you can see this figure, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in which this BC is a base of triangle ABC, that we can denote as B1, and triangle PQR, that QR is a base of another triangle, that is PQR, so we can denote it by B2. So and here AM is a H1, that is height of first triangle, and PN is a height of another triangle, that is H2. So according to our first property, we can say ratio of area. Ratio means we have to compare the areas of both the triangles. So we are writing area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. That is first property, ratio of area of two triangles is always equal to ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding height. This is the property number 1. Let's see another property, property number 2. Property number 2 says that if height of the two triangle is same, if height of two triangle is same, then the ratio of the areas of their the triangle is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. यानी अगर हाइट सेम है तो उनके एरियाज के रेशो आपको बेस के रेशो में लिखने हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल इस फिगर में आप देख सकते हैं इन ट्रायंगल ABT एंड CBT. जैसे यहाँ ये ABT और CBT दोनों ट्रायंगल की जो हाइट है वो सेम है. क्यों? बिकॉज वर्टेक्स B इज कॉमन टू बोथ द ट्रायंगल, और इसलिए यहाँ पर हाइट कॉमन है, हाइट सेम है, इसलिए हम इनके एरिया के रेशो लिख सकते हैं बेस के रेशो में. मींस वी कैन राइट एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABT अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल CBT इक्वल टू B1 अपॉन B2 बेस के रेशो में, जिसका पहले ट्रायंगल का बेस AT, सेकंड ट्रायंगल का बेस CT, लाइक दैट. Then another property number 3, it says that if bases of triangles are same, अगर आप bases सेम है तो उनके एरिया के रेशो रेशो उनके करस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट के रेशो में होंगे। मीन्स if bases of triangle are same, then the ratio of the area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding height. Let's see in this figure. यहाँ आप इस फिगर में देख सकते हैं अगेन टू ट्रायंगल्स आर देयर, ट्रायंगल ABT एंड ट्रायंगल CBT। दोनों ट्रायंगल में आप देख सकते हैं ये जो बेस है BT इज कॉमन टू बोथ द ट्रायंगल। ये BT ये जो बेस है ये दोनों ट्रायंगल का बेस है, मींस बेस इज सेम और बेस सेम है तो उनके एरिया के रेशो वी कैन राइट इनटू टू द रेशो ऑफ देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट। सो हियर h1 upon h2 means we can write area of triangle ABT upon area of triangle CBT as equal to h1 upon h2. So these are the three properties that we must have to understood before the solving the example. Let's see one of the example using these properties. In the given figure, segment PS perpendicular to segment RQ, segment QT perpendicular to segment PR, and RQ equal to 6, PS equal to 6, and PR equal to 12. Then we have to find QT, and the figure is given like this. So, if we have to write a solution, then as we know that if we have to find the area of triangle PQR, we have a formula half into base into height. So, if we consider this triangle, when we are considering the triangle PQR, then we can say PR is a base and QT is height. If we are taking PR as a base and QT is height, then we can write area of triangle as area of triangle PQR equal to half into base was PR into height was QT. So we are getting half into PR into QT. But as you see here, if I am drawing another height that is from here, that is from P, that is PS. If we consider QR as a base and PS is a height, then we can write the area of triangle as half into base is QR and height is PS. So we are getting half into QR into PS. So we are getting half into PR into QT equal to half into QR into PS. Here on both the sides half is there, we can cancel it. So half of it cancels. So remaining things are remaining PR into QT equal to QR into PS. Now substitute the value of all the values, that is PR का value हम रखेंगे 12 into QT equal to QR का value 6 into PS का value 6. So we are getting 12 into QT equal to 6 into 6. Now right side में 6 into 6 we have to multiply, तो यहाँ पर हमें मिलेगा 12 into QT equal to 36. Now this 12 that is into में है तो उधर ट्रांसफर होगा राइट साइड, so it becomes in divide. So QT equal to 36 upon 12. So we are getting the value of QT as 3. So QT equal to 3. लेते हैं और एक एग्जांपल. Let's see this example in given figure. AP perpendicular to BC and AD parallel to BC. Then find area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BDC and figure is given like this. अब यहाँ पर फिर से इसमें सॉल्यूशन लिखते वक्त हमें ध्यान देना है, हमें देखना है what is given here. Here given is AD parallel to BC. यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं ये लाइन AD और ये लाइन BC, they are parallel to each other. And as we know that parallel lines है means उनके बीच का डिस्टेंस जो है वो इक्वल होगा. और इन दो लाइंस के बीच में as you see there are two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle BDC. तो इन दो ट्रायंगल के इन दो लाइंस के बीच में ये दो ट्रायंगल्स है और वो लाइंस पैरेलल है, मींस देयर हाइट मस्ट बी सेम. क्योंकि दो पैरेलल लाइन के बीच में रहने वाले जो ट्रायंगल्स होते हैं उनकी हाइट सेम होती है, मींस वी कैन राइट ट्रायंगल ABC एंड ट्रायंगल BCD हैव सेम हाइट. एंड एज वी नो दैट दो ट्रायंगल्स की हाइट सेम है, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर प्रॉपर्टी हमने अभी देखा इफ हाइट सेम then the ratio of their area is equal to their ratio of corresponding bases. According to that, we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BDC equal to B1 upon B2. पहले ट्रायंगल का बेस अपॉन सेकंड ट्रायंगल का बेस हम ले सकते हैं. सो लेट्स सी, यहाँ देखते हैं बेस कौन सा है ट्रायंगल ABC का. हियर इट इज, ट्रायंगल ABC का बेस है BC और ट्रायंगल BDC का बेस भी है BC. सो we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BDC as BC upon BC, and as we know that BC upon BC we can cancel it, so we are getting area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BDC equal to 1 upon 1. So we are getting our answer, that is ratio of area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD equal to 1:1. Like that we can use our properties in our different examples. और ऐसे बहुत सारे और भी एग्जाम्पल्स के लिए जरूर सब्सक्राइब करिए और अपने डिफिकल्टीज मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर शेयर करते रहिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.